Okay, although this is in form of percentage, a form of percentage. Okay, I guess we can move that. So before let's get the total sales. Okay, so do that in terms of this will be in terms of quantity. Let's quickly correct. Says let's correct as per quantity. Can put QTY. Now we cannot have here total. So now I want to show you an important thing here. To be able to insert a new column to your worksheet, you go to your where you have your letters, calibrated your column. Come here. Since I want it to be here, I will make sure my cursor here is here and your arrow is pointing down. Okay. Then you right click. Once you right click, you see insert. Click on insert. You see I have a new column inserted. Okay. Then I can now put total sales. That is how to insert a new column. Okay. Now let's look at how much this man made. Okay, we're going to use product. Okay, total sales here in terms of quantity multiply the price per item or per unit. Okay, so come to your formula bar here and select products. Okay, please answer this. I'm not working with range. Okay, we're working with this. Is the price and then total sales per quantity. This is it. Sales. This is what Mr. Simon sold out. Okay, we have this. So we can drag down. Okay, I've drag down, change it to currency. I'm using dollar. You can decide to change this sign either instead of dollar to euro to Nigeria. Okay, you can do that. Just click on this, you see multiple options. Okay, and then you change. Look at this for accounting. See, you have symbols. Then you can change it from here. Okay, look up different ones. Okay, all right. Now we have this. Then total sold out in terms of percentage. Now to be able to do that, let's know the total sold out. Now I'll be using in terms of quantity, not in terms of price. Okay. Now we'll pick this to get the total. Okay, let me quickly remove this. Okay, see it's not going, so we do it this way. Clear contents. Is that okay? You right click and you see an option, clear contents. Okay. Now I want this. I want to call this total. Total. Now to get the total item this man have in stock, you put equal to self-reference. Don't forget it. Then we have sum. This is your formula bar. Select sum. Then we have C3 to C10. This is C10. This is it. But you notice that it's empty, so we can change it to C9. Another thing I'll call your attention to is you also notice that the range is showing here on a particular bar. Now, if you want to be adding and adding, like for instance, I'm writing C2, so C4, C5, it means it will be creating more numbers for you. So to say that, just let the range, this is showing range between C3 to C9, okay? Then you click on OK. Now, this is the total for this. Now, I can duplicate the formula across this as well. Look at it. Take your cursor under this and drag. You see it? You see it? This is not working. And there's something wrong here. Somehow. Was it that? Look at it. So what is wrong here? G3 to G9. G3 to G9. Okay. Okay, let's make this number. Let's make this number, okay? Let's make this number, okay? It's now number. But still not working. Okay, so let's check. Let's look. What is the problem? Equals to sum. We are in G3 to G9. You notice it's also showing there, okay? G9. These are the items you're adding together. Why is it not working? this is if sum. Okay, subtraction. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Okay, so you notice it's now working. So let's see what to do. This. Let's click on our sum. Sum. I don't want this. So I'm going to try another means. So then we have this here. We have this here. We come here. We have this. We come here. We have this. We come here. We have this. G7 is 5. Then we have this. We have this.